Welcome to the reading table part 3. Today we're going to continue by creating the chair. Let's start by creating a cube. I'll move it away from the table. Then I'm going to scale the cube. Now I'm going to change the subdivision by going to the channel box and then selecting Polycube 3, changing the subdivision width to 3. Subdivision height stays the same. Subdivision depth to 3. I'll switch to top view, spacebar, and then I'm going to move the lines around so I can create the 4 corners of the chair. So right click and hold, select vertex. I'll select the middle group of vertices that are going vertical, and then with the scale I'll click on the X handle and drag it out. Now I'll select the middle horizontal group of vertices and grab on the Z handle, and there it is. Now I have my 4 corners. Now I'll go back to perspective view, rotate so I can see the bottom, switch to face by right clicking and holding, select face mode, and then click and hold shift to select all 4 corners. I'll rotate and then go to edit mesh, extrude, and pull down on the legs. That should be fine. I'm going to press F to zoom in. While the extrude tool is still active, I'm going to click on one of the handles and I'm going to grab the middle scale handle and pull out to make the legs skinnier towards the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to right click and hold and select object mode, and I'll just move it up on top of the grid. Now I'm going to extrude the back support, so I'll right click, hold, and select face. I'll select the 2 faces on the top, and then I'll go to front view so I can see as I'm extruding. So I'll go edit mesh and extrude, and then I'll extrude, let's say up to here, and then I'll press G to extrude again. Remember, G gives you the last tool that you were using. In this case is extrude, or you could just go to edit mesh extrude. So I press G and then extrude. So this will give me my first back support. Now I'll press G again to extrude one more time, and then I need another back support here, so I'll press G and extrude again, and that gives me my other back support. Now I'll press G one more time, extrude, and then G again and extrude. So that gives me 3 back supports, 1, 2, 3, and then I can just extrude one more time. I press G and extrude. So there it is. Now I'll zoom out a little bit just to see how that looks, and there it is. Now if it looks too tall, you could just always right click, select vertex, select all the vertices here, and then just bring it down using the move tool. And we can also bring down the chair seat if it's just too tall. I just highlight everything like so, and then with the move tool, just bring it down about there. Okay, good. Now I'm going to switch back to face mode, and I'm going to start bridging the back support. So I'll select this side, hold shift, and select this side, and then go to edit mesh, bridge, but select the option box. And then I need to create 5 subdivisions here, and it's because I want to arc the back support. So make sure you type 5 and then hit apply. And select the next 2 set of faces and then hit apply. And then the next 2 and hit apply. and then we can close this. Now I'll switch to top view, and I'm going to right click and select vertex, and I'm going to arc the back support. So I'll select all the middle faces, and then with the move tool I'll just move it out slightly like so. Then I'll select the next middle vertices and then just pull out, and then just the last middle, this one, and pull out, just so it looks like, you know, like we curve it. Then I'll switch back to perspective view, right click in object mode, and there it is. There is our chair now with the reading table and our books. All right, take a screenshot and upload it to Google Classroom. Don't forget to save.